Hi, this is Kendra with WTI. This is the most fantastic toddler float that we've ever owned. So this thing, first of all, just look how fun this is. Like, it's such a fun color, it's such a fun little face, and it's a really cute little float. But one of the reasons that we love it so much is because when a baby is really young, their skin is so sensitive. So we really loved the fact that it came with this canopy that will shade the baby as they're playing. That's very, very important. Also, here's a really comfortable seating area for them. So you can see it's got the 4-strap harness here. And so it's really, really gonna be safe for them and lock them into position really well as they're floating. And then lastly, it's got this really nice little cushion to hold them upright and help them to sit up straight. So this thing's been great for our family, and that's our point of view.